Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rum cocktails. First, let's cover the essentials. Having the right tools like a shaker and jigger makes a big difference. Choosing a good quality rum, whether it's light or dark, sets the foundation for your drink. And remember, fresh ingredients, especially citrus juices and simple syrup, are key to a delicious cocktail. Let's get started. Now, let's craft a timeless classic, the daiquiri. Start by combining 2 ounces of light rum with 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Then, add 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup for that perfect balance of sweetness. Shake everything vigorously with ice until it's super cold, then strain it into a chilled coupe glass. It's simple, elegant, and incredibly refreshing. Next up, a vibrant and refreshing mojito. In your glass, gently muddle about 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves with 2 teaspoons of sugar and a few lime wedges. This releases their aromatic oils. Add 2 ounces of white rum and the juice of 1/2 a lime. Fill the glass with ice, top it off with club soda, and give it a gentle stir. Garnish with a beautiful mint sprig. To truly elevate your rum cocktail game, always prioritize fresh ingredients, especially citrus. The difference in flavor is remarkable. Don't be afraid to experiment with various types of rum. Each offers unique characteristics that can transform a drink. And remember, taste as you go and adjust the sweetness to your liking. Cheers to your delicious creations.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.